So I just finished filming with this GoPro 10. The location is really crazy. It's a swampy area and I was a bit scared to fly here, but I always wanted to go here with my FPV, and now I have the ability to share this footage with you to enjoy. And maybe you will learn something too from this, how Reelsteady GO footage looks shot on GoPro 10. I've got it just recently, so I haven't seen the footage myself, and I hope it will be good. Now to the footage. So set into manual mode. And let's see how it flies and how the new GoPro 10 records. I'm flying early in the morning, it's around 9 AM. I wanted to start earlier, but it was so hard to wake up. So no sunrise footage for you, sorry. Right now I'm recording without Hypersmooth, so that afterwards I'm importing that to Reelsteady GO for the smoothness, to see how it performs and how epic will the footage come out. Okay, the signal is bad right now already, 400 meters from my starting point. I think it's because of these trees. The drone is shaking because of the GoPro. It's a bit heavy. But it feels fine. I want to try to record this little pathway. So I'm going to go over here. Many spider webs here. And it was very foggy in the morning. Right now it's already not that foggy, unfortunately. I think it would add up nicely to the footage. So I hope I won't crash, because I'm flying full manual right now, so it's not that easy for me. I'm not a pro or something. Okay, alive. Great. I love this location. I have one video which I filmed on the swampy area as well. You can see it here. And this is another swamp. I haven't flown here yet. So now that I've got this GoPro 10, I decided that I will go here and fly a bit. Early in the morning, but I overslept. It was really hard to wake up, so... There was another pathway somewhere here that I took to get here, and I want to fly around that too. Let's try to find it maybe. Or let's see this little... oh, here it is, by the way. in this pathway high up. I think I will make it no cut video so that you can see the full process of flying from start to finish, and to see how not Hypersmooth but Reelsteady GO performs in every situation, like in every turn, in flying forward. For example, right now I'm flying forward, and we can see these reflections too. It's so beautiful. I still haven't got my ND filter for the GoPro, so right now it's a bit bright. GoPro has maximum shutter speed of 400, so I can't go higher than that. ISO is 100. But I hope it is usable and you will enjoy how it looks. It's like I'm flying over the mirror. I love this little lake. Oh, it's so amazing. Maybe I have to make a photo too. You can't even see the water, how low you are. So it's a bit dangerous to fly like that. I'm trying to be careful. So 25% battery, the goggles are showing me right now. I'm going to head back home. Just like that, over everything. Oops, almost got over water. I pressed emergency brake, moved it to normal mode, and now I'm landing.